So what's in this brown box with a handle on the top of it? We've probably seen it in a thumbnail anyway. This is an LED corner lamp. So let's see what's inside, how to build it, and let's more importantly see how it looks. Roll the intro. Hi everyone, welcome to IoT Ixis on Tech. Thank you very much for joining me today. So today we have a brown box that has an LED corner lamp in it. So I bought this off Amazon a few days ago. Unfortunately, it was just before the Prime Day, and since then, well, on Prime Day it actually went down in price, but I bought it at the higher price. So silly me for not waiting a few more days to see if it's going to be on a Prime special offer. So just a reminder as well, if you like any of my videos, then please hit that thumbs up button as well. And if you haven't done so already, then please hit that subscribe button down below. I'm so close to reaching 1,000 subscribers. It's all thanks to you, the viewer out there. So thank you very much for clicking on my videos, watching my videos, and also more importantly, subscribing. Thank you very much. So let's have a look at this box then. So this is by RHM. It's a corner floor lamp. Now this has 72 LEDs and 358 different animations on it, different lighting effects and everything. So you might have seen these on Amazon yourself before, or even on other YouTube channels. So it's basically like a right angle degree, 90-degree angle, which goes on the floor. You've got one big pole that goes up that has the LEDs facing the corner of the wall, so it's to illuminate your room. So in the box we have an instruction manual. We have some rubber feet, a little Allen key, and then loads of 6 Allen key screws. Oh, that's the on-off button. This must be one of the corner feet. Yes, because it's got electrical connector in the end. Ah, it's already got rubber feet on there. Oh, that's good. So they must be spare ones. Oh, spare ones. We have a UK power supply. This is 12 volts, 2 amp. We got the other corner of the leg, again with rubber pads pre-applied. More foam. Oh, I forgot to say as well, this is remote controlled. Oh, I need batteries. So this will take 2 AAA batteries that slide in the back there. And you've got how many buttons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 buttons and like a color dial on the front. So I'll get onto that in a few minutes. Then how many sections do we have? So this is one. This looks like the top section because it's got the top piece on there. So clear diffused plastic on the front to diffuse your lighting effects through the corner. Got a 3-pin connector underneath there. So you've got 1, 2 pieces, more foam, and then the bottom piece. Ah, there we go. And then there's your cable connector there, which is threaded in. And we've got the little connector that'll plug into the end of that one by there. And that is it for the box. Right, so I'm gonna bring you in closer and then we'll see how we build this. And then we'll turn it on. Yeah. Okay, so here we have all the pieces laid out. Let's start off with the power supply. I forgot to measure how long this was. So let's have a look. It's 1 meter long. All right, so we'll keep that untangled. Let's put that to one side. So let's have a look at the instructions. So it looks quite basic instruction. It just tells you what's included in the pack. Yeah, just start up with the corner piece, connect the wire, put the legs on, attach them all in line. So it tells you there you've got 16 million colors from the LEDs as usual. Over 300 multicolor effects. It's energy saving, which according to the box is 20 watts. It's dimmable, and of course with LEDs you always get loads of life hours out of these. You get about 50,000 hours worth of lighting. So apparently if you use these for about 3 hours a day, that'll last you about 15 years. And it tells you how to use a bit of the remote control. It's got some instructions there, color RGB, remote control. It's got memory, it's got speed control, static and dynamic. On the back then we've got more information about the remote control and also safety precautions. Yep, all right, okay, so let's start building. So I said that this comes with 6 little Allen head screws, some spare foam pads. Don't run away, stay there. There you go. So let's start off with the one with the corner on it. So that has to go into this one. Uh-oh. Where's the lead gone? Can you see it? Ah, there we go. So this will only plug in one way, he says. It'll go in that way. There you go, so that's connected. And then you just push that through, that slides over. And then we just put our little Allen screws in the 2 holes by there. Love a good bit of screwing on a Tuesday night. Okay, let's get the second leg. Second leg. Twist a little bit, but that's fine. Right, so there we go. We've got two legs installed and we've got the one upright. So let's put these on. So remember, one of them has a cap on the end, so that's going to be the very, very top one. And we've got male. I don't know if you can see those in there, but we've got male going into the female. So that'll go on top of there. Like that, nice snug fit. And then the top one, again that's male, goes into the female on the top of this one. There we go. Wow, that's very tall. I don't know where these screws go. There's no place in the back. Okay, so I guess you've got some two spare Allen screws. And of course, keep your Allen key safe along with the padded feet, just in case you need some more in the future. I'm gonna put some in. Right, let me go grab some batteries. So I've got some batteries. Let's just pop those in. And then I need to find, oh, it's flashing then. Peel that off. Okay, so before power on, let's give you some measurements of this thing. So from the front to the back of the front leg, it's 42 centimeters or 16.5 inches. Oh, the other one is going to be the same. Yeah, 42 centimeters or 16.5 inches. Height-wise, go from the top right down to the bottom. It is 1.30 meters, so 130 centimeters or 51.5 inches. And if you want to know the size of the remote control, it is 11 centimeters or 4.25 inches long, just in case you accidentally lose it. So I've managed to find a power socket. Let's turn it on, shall we? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh. What's happening? What's happening? I can't see. Ooh, that's nice. Now then, what can we do? Ooh. It's touch sensitive remote control. So that's brightness. Hey, this is nice. I'm going to go dim. Let's go through some of the effects, shall we? Auto. Is that? Ooh, nice. Let's turn off the studio lights a minute. Oh, so there we go, now we're in complete darkness. Oh, sorry about the rattling, let me move it forward a bit. There we go, so it's on the table properly. Hey. That's nice. How do we slow it down? I think... Oh, it's a different effect, is it? Looks like it. Oh yeah, that's slowed it right down. How fast can we have it going? Okay, what do these buttons do then? So that's, hey, I like that. Oh, it's coming down. Nice. So this is manufactured by RHM and I bought this off Amazon. So if you'd like to buy this, then hit the video description below where there will be a link. Unfortunately, it's not an affiliate link just yet anyway. But yeah, this is nice. Does it do just white? Let me, how do I turn it off now? Is that stopped? It looks as though it has. Yeah, it's like a touch sensitive RF remote control. I don't know if you can see, but there's a flashing red light as I'm tapping the button on the front. Is there just white? Yeah, I like this. And this is really bright. It's going to make such nice mood lighting in a room. There goes another effect going off. Hey, it's not. I'll put it on the floor next to me. Whoop. There you go, and that's how I talk. I don't know if you can see me. Hello. I do like LEDs. I'm not sure if you can tell with my background behind the TV and also behind the desk, but yes, this is very nice. Gives us a nice glow. So this is going to be really nice mood lighting in your living room, bedroom, conservatory. Yeah, I'll put it on the desk, but you can still see it. Yeah, let me bring it to the end. There we go. So let me just tap away, so you can see more of the animation. Also the joins in the middle. It's not too bad. The joins in the middle, to be honest, it's not giving a big break in the lights that some lights do. This has a nice range of colours. I think that's the speed button, yeah. And of course, then you can just select your own colours from the little colour wheel. Hey. I like how it's a touch sensitive wheel on the remote control as well. Ah, very good. And of course you've got auto. So let me stand it back up a minute. Oh, yes. Yeah, I'll point it towards me this time. There you go, in all my LED goodness. So don't forget, if you want to buy this really cool, quite tall, 1.3 meter tall LED corner lamp, then hit the video description below where I'll leave a link for Amazon. So if you like this video, then please give us a thumbs up. If not, hit that thumbs down button twice. Thanks very much. And if you haven't done so already, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you very much. I'm nearly at 1,000 subscribers. Woohoo! Can't wait till I hit over 1,000 subscribers. Thank you very much to everybody who has subscribed already. So this has been IoT X's on Tech, and I'll catch you again on the next one. Thanks very much for watching. Bye-bye.